Hey guys, this is Kyle, and I'm gonna do some fidget spinner tricks with my silver fidget spinner. The first one, the first trick is called like you run and then you jump in and you go back and you go back. But first, I'm gonna do the easy one, and I will different types of tricks with my silver fidget spinner. The first one I'm gonna do is like you spin it and then you let go of it and then you're supposed to spin when you let go, and that's the first trick. And then you do the same thing but bounce back to the place. Let me. Oh man, I was so close, man. Yeah. Now up to the second one. Ah! Boom. Now I'm gonna show you. Thank you. I can't believe I actually did it, and I'm gonna show you the next one. The next one is like you do the same thing and with your eyes closed. Okay, ready to do this. Oh man, that was pretty close. Oh man. Hopefully I can do this. Oh. Got this, Kyle. Oh! Boom! And now you do the same thing as the first trick, but with your eyes closed. And it's the same thing. You roll it and then you let go of it and then you catch it with another hand and catch it back with another hand. And I will do it with my eyes closed. Oh, okay, you got this. Got this. Oh man, it's pretty close. Oh yes! I can't believe I did the same trick. And let's move on to the third one. So you're gonna try to do the same trick, and then you do it like a car wheel movie, and then you catch it, and then you let go of it and catch it with another hand. Oh man, that was really close. Oh, that was pretty close. Oh man, it just. Oh yeah, I did it. Now I'm gonna do this same thing with my eyes closed. Actually, I'm not gonna do the same thing with my eyes closed. I'm gonna do the same thing, and when you go to the other way, try to go back to the place where you started the spinning. Oh. Man, it was really cool, but oh man. Oh. Oh! Bullseye! Now let's move on to the fourth one. And I'm gonna do the same thing with my eyes closed. Oh. There it is. Oh. Okay, I'll get over there. Kind of got a scratch on the fidget spinner. Yeah. Woo! Yeah! Bullseye! Now you're gonna. And now you're gonna. And I'm gonna do it with the same thing with my eyes closed, but you're gonna do it and let go of it and try to get back like that and go back to the place where you started, but with the eyes closed. Oh, one, the last one. Come on. It's the last trick. You got this. Ah! Boom! 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 Bullseye! Boom! I'm really good at these tricks. Huh, yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and I appreciate it for liking all my videos that I've done so far, and I appreciate you. You're the best subscribers ever. Bye! See you again soon!